Your boy back again in the middle of the night. Welcome back, welcome back. Right. I'm gonna just make a quick volume follow-up video in regards to the last video I make. Kind of just taking a little bit of a step back again. Kind of looking at where I'm at. What am I doing? Right. I can pick up that I disregarded looking at the plan last video. So kind of go back over that and make sure that everything's lining up in terms of like using the actual plan I have outlined. Right. So the monthly candle we're still within. Try finding the weekly, daily, down to the 4 hour, and then 30-minute impulse. I believe is the last. I think 30-minute impulse is the last. It's the last thing I need to add to it. 30-minute impulse. 30/15-minute impulse. I think this should be able to top it off actually, right? Um, I'm gonna get into why I'm putting this here. So, kind of going from top down again, right? Currently the monthly candles within a bearish break. As much as I'm looking for buy in the last video, I'm gonna just counter trade that idea real quick and point out that we are still on the monthly targeting sell side, right? On the weekly, the last break happened from this candle right here, right? So we're still targeting the sell side even on the weekly. No reason to buy yet if I'm doing a proper top down approach on the market, with this being a target. And on the daily, we did just fill in the inefficient candle over, well, on Friday, that is, right? So technically, right now, we really should be expecting price to keep delivering to the low, just as per the plan, right? That being said, on the 4 hour, we are pulling into this block, and that's where I'm looking for buys from prior. But there's the idea that this still needs to deliver into the lows, as the overall market trend is more bearish than it is bullish, right? Having been breaking down this whole time. So this is the sell side opportunity I'm gonna use for this video. I'll go into 30-minute, and what you'll see here is there's multiple opportunities to get in actually on the way down. All these breaks here are all coming from supply candles. These are all possible entries, right? Impulses in the market. So where I'm tracking impulses to the top side, I think the sell side impulses is what I should be paying attention to, right? And I say that because price is currently even delivering pretty efficiently, having broken even prior low right here, right? So that's definitely interesting. Um, with the last impulse we're in being, right, this being a target from high to low baseline, right? You can see that all of this right here, all this was filled in. We traded back into it, so I won't consider that. And I'll watch this wick that got filled in, right? Sweeping a bit of liquidity from above it and then breaking down lows right here. That's a distribution. This in and of itself is a distribution right here. So I do want to say I expect price from here to keep delivering into the lows actually. Um, so I want to see what that keeps looking like. I'd expect price to keep delivering the sell side from here. Granted, we're within the most recent impulse in the market on the sell side from high to low, really. Make that gray, right? And you can see the inefficient price action resting right here. We've already started distributing to the sell side with a break here. So I do expect price to keep delivering to the sell side. I'll try capitalize on the opportunity. Let's see if we can take this trade right here. Entry off of this candle. I'll protect the stops above. let's say this high right here, right? So we'll put up of this high, the impulse high, and we'll target the lows, right? Let's see what can come off that. So we can come up this way, right? So this is the counter trade idea. Kind of just working our way down, trying to see what works, see what doesn't. Again, this is more in line with what a higher time frame is doing. So I'm a bit more confident in this play. I did average out of the other plays. Not as comfortable with those as I am with this one. Granted, kind of how price action is delivering, right? So I'll put stop loss above the high right here, which is the block itself, right? It's just in the 2% right there. So I'll let this play run, see what can come off it. But outside of that, that's about it for now. Just wanted to do this quick update video. Um, just kind of going over the opportunity. Let's make sure that I'm crossing my T's and dotting my I's properly, because I was noticing that a couple things weren't lining up in the video, and it only makes sense for me to try adjusting that as I go, being able to recognize those, being able to recognize those little mistakes I can make. Um, so we'll see if it is a mistake or not. If it's not, it's okay. But currently, I am watching price distribute, so I do want to see what that end up looking like. I am a bit confident in this trade right here. More reason for the price to be going down than this to be going up. But we'll see how this plays out, man. So I appreciate y'all time. Just doing a quick update. Feeling it's about to be three in the London Open. So this will be my second trade for today. So we'll see how this pans out. I'm a bit more confident in this one, as price action should be delivering bearish, kind of following from last week's sentiment. But again, I ain't gonna stress it. Just gonna leave it be. Appreciate y'all. Appreciate y'all time. Y'all have a wonderful night, man.